is nothing but a collection of a data, and that we are passing certain pipeline, and this is the input and this is the output. Okay, so this pipeline we are calling as a stream. Okay, by definition, if you check that stream is a source of a data, and we are passing through the pipeline for some computational operation like sum or a filter a data, that kind of operation we are doing there. Apart from that, this is the input, it is not getting changed, we are generating a new output over that stream, and this is the lazy initiated. So when we writing the code, that time it's won't evaluated. Whenever the call came at this line, execution of a stream, that time only that string get evaluated. Okay, we just see in a diagram how it's internally look like. So this is a input stream. Okay, the source of input stream, it's it can be a array, connection, or input output channel. Input output channel means we are receiving the content from over the HTTP. Certain APIs are provided to support the continuous streaming like video streaming, audio streaming, that kind of streams also we are getting. So array, collection, input output stream, we are creating a stream that we are passing through multiple operations like filtering a data, then aggregating a data, doing certain operations till an operation we are doing that. So operation look like filter, sort, type of a conversion, mapping, these kind of operations are there. After that, applying a multiple operation, there is a one terminal operation. Okay, that means after that operation, that result get converted into output format like output stream or output collection. So what is the terminal function? So there are aggregating result like count, sum, or collecting a data into certain collection. So that is the output or the terminal operation. Okay, that's it. Means there is a source stream, operational result, input and output, and in between there are multiple operations. Starting operation we are calling as the start operation, and ending operation we are calling as the terminal operation. Okay, that's the basic about stream. We discuss as with the example like how to filter a data. Okay, so there, for example, consider there is a list of a product. Okay, product have the DAO, like in this product class there is three things. First is ID thing, then product name, and third is a price. Okay, consisting of these fields are there in a product class. So here we just prepare a product class. Okay, a product object like 1 HP laptop and 25,000 is the price. Similar way, second object we created. Okay, now if you want to do the certain operation like the price greater than 30,000, and you want that only price of such laptops, not the laptop. So how can you do? So traditional way, you will iterate that in a for loop and then get that data, but it's easy in a streams. Like this is the collection product list, so you can apply directly stream here. So dot stream is a function. In that, the filter is a one method like filter, and I am passing like a p as a product, and this is a function like that lambda function. So p is a product, I am passing into this, and this is the condition like p dot price is greater than 30,000. So if the result is a true or true, then pass it to for the next case. Okay, so initially in the first case price is at 25,000, so data is getting filtered because condition get false. But for del after 30,000, in here also we are failing because price is greater than, here actually it's equal to 30,000, so that time also not passing. Suppose consider there is a one Apple laptop and which is a price is a 40,000. So in that case result passes to the next filter where we are seeing map, means this 40,000 getting mapped into p dot price. We are saying that p is matched with the p dot price, and this is the terminal operation where we are saying collector dot to list, means collect the data of this function into to list, and list output should be this list of float. Like we will only get the 40,000 out of that list of float. Okay, this is the way we can collect that data. Means here what we did, first we filter out the data and then map it into list, and then we are collecting that data. Okay, first we filter the data, then collect the only float out of that object and prepare a list for that. This is the way we can do that. Okay, in the next example, and here just we print that, but in the next example how to iterate that. This is same complex example, but we see with the basic and then join all together. Okay, so stream, we are iterating currently stream, so we are iterating stream iterate 1 to 1. This is the input parameter. Okay, this look like a lambda also element. We are saying passing the element with the element plus 1. So every time whatever element we are passing, that plus 1 we are getting as output, and every time we are iterating. Okay, so here what we are iterating, filter element mod 5 is equal to 0. So what are the cases like 0 mod 0, that will again it's not the correct case. So we start from 1 2 3 4 5. So at a 5, whenever we have the element as a 5, that 5 mod 5 is equal to 0, and that value get printed here, like for each system out dot println. First we print at a 5, but here we are saying limit 5, so only 5 numbers should be printed. Here we are getting all the number like 1 2 3 4 5 till 25. Okay, but what we are doing at a next step, here we are limiting only 5. So whenever this condition getting true, that only eligible for this limit operation. So that means only 5 to 25 we get only 10, 15 and 20. These 5 numbers are get at the next line, and we are counting only those number like 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25, that only calculated in a limit 5, because for rest of the 20 numbers this condition getting false and we are not coming at a next operation. Okay, consider this is a operation 1, this is RR0 to 1 to 25 is an input set. Operation 1 is we are modulus by 5 number, and second condition is a limit, second operation is a limit. Okay, this is OP2 and this is the output. Okay, output is we are printing that data. So operation 1 25 element, but at operation 2 we are getting only 5, because here for 20 cases we are getting false result and only 5 we are getting true result. So that only these 5 only passes to the next limit function. Okay, you are getting. If you have doubts, let me know, we'll explore more. Okay, so here also we will discuss more about the source and destination. Like we already discussed that first stream have one source stream and terminal operation are there, and in between we are passing doing multiple operations. So source may be array, collection, generator, functions, IO input like HTTP stream, video stream, audio stream. That kind of data is the input for a stream. After that we are performing multiple operation like mapping the data from one stream to another, filtering the data, unsorted, peak, map to int. Lot of functions are there. I will link the details in below. Apart from that, the distinct, sorted and limit, these are the stateful operation. Means we are getting distinct result like limit 5 only, like distinct only set of the operations are there. So these are the stateful operation, and there are terminal operation. Means this is the last state of our stream, because we are at this there will be no operation left. Like if you are saying mean, max, sum, that means there is a end of operation like mean, max, sum, count, average, reduce or a collect. These kind of operations are there, which we are calling as a terminal operation. Okay, next we combine. Till now we check about the filter and iterate, but can we do combine? Yes, there are multiple operations are there. So here same like earlier first example, our product list are there. So on any collection we can apply that stream function. So I'm writing at a stream here. Then we are applying filter here, like filtering. If price is equal to 30,000, then you can pass that data to the next flow. Okay, what is the next flow? We are doing the iteration over that. For each we are printing that product.name. So as per our second example, where 30,000 price is for the Dell laptop. Okay, so the Dell laptop will be printed. Okay, this is the example of a filter and iterate. Next example, if you want to get the sum of the particular collection, so there are two ways to do the summation operation. First operation, okay, product item list, this is a collection, applied stream function, then we are mapping to product price. Why we are mapping? Because we only want the product price. We are doing the summation operation over the product price variable. So here we are doing product price reduce from 00f to float sum. We are performing some operation. Starting point is the 00f, but whatever products came into this, we are doing the summation of all product. Okay, it start from 00, but like if you know that 25, 30 and 44 product are there, so output will be 95k. Okay, this is the output. So start from 00, then add 25, then add 30 and then add a 40. This is the operation for approach first. Second is we are doing that the same, like applying the stream over the collection, and we are collecting. Collector is the function terminal operation, where we are doing sum in a double and combining all the product price, and we are returning whatever 95k is the price. Okay, this is also another approach to the do summation. Okay, in the next example we'll check about the how to find min max. This is exactly mimic, like apply the stream. Here we are checking max, means we should find out the max. This is the function, lambda function. This is the param1, this is the param 2. So we are passing param 1, param 2. Product price side price if greater than, if product 1 have more size, more price, then return a 1. If product 2 have the less price, then return a reverse way, then return a -1. Okay, so in that case we are comparing one product with another product, and we are getting max output of it. Okay, this is the max. So similar way you are doing with the mean, just you need to reverse the condition, like because here we are getting 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 for each function, and we are doing that. But in a mean we are doing the mean function, means whatever output of that function, whatever result you are getting, you just do the mean out of that. Similar way here we are doing a max, applying a max function over the stream. Okay, so here we are doing mean function, and the exact comparison means one product to another comparison is exactly same, just the output of that stream or a result will getting mean to max. Okay, that's the basic mean and max function. Then how can we count that? It's the same, like apply the filter and you can do count. Otherwise if you want to count directly, you can do count also, count operation. Okay, this is also, but if you want to do over the stream, so you just iterate over it, filter it the data whatever you want, and do the terminal operation. Okay, this is a count example. Then okay, certain cases where we need to match list to set. Suppose there are 100k items and you need to find the unique element out of that. So in that case you need to convert, only 10 element are there unique. So basically you will transfer that list to set and you will get a 10 unique item. Okay, that way you can do here also, like whatever product list is a stream, you just filter the data. If you want, filter the parameter and the condition, and here you are mapping like dot map, whatever result came here we are passing to the next function where mapping product dot product price. So here we are copy the price out of that. Means currently we have the product object, but we need to map that from product. Here we have a product, okay, but at a next step we want only price. So here we are pulling out price from that product and collecting into set. So here output of our function is a set of upload, okay. So we are set of price element, okay. That's it to convert list to the set. In the next we check about the how to convert list to the map, okay. So similar way we are just changing the collection. Like if you want to do filter data, here also you can do filter data like dot stream dot filter, but here we are just converting. So collecting to map, what we are saying, collecting the collector dot to map means data should be transferred, and what is a key. So product ID is a key and product name is a value, okay. So PID is the key and P value is the name, okay. So this way you are providing a lambda function to this, and this can be converted into map. So okay, so map look like as a product ID is 1 2 3 and like HP, then Dell and then Mac, okay. These three are element, and this map look like this, like okay, that's it. And okay, so till now we check all the steps, but if you want to call the function, how you can do that? Like here this is an example, like this is the operator where you can say that here at object, and this is a method, so you can call in stream. Like here the product list is there, dot stream means we are calling stream out of there. Here we are filtering the data, then we are mapping it. Means till now we have the product object, but we need to get price out of that. So product is a class and we are calling get price method. There is a no input parameter required for get price, it is just an output field. That's why we are calling like that, get price out of that, and we are collecting that into collection dot list, okay. This is the way you can call it, but the mandatory thing, there should not be input parameter for such functions. Then you can call by referencing like this is like a method name, okay. That's the basic about the streams, Java streams. If you want any more detailed stuff, let me know. We'll connect and discuss in the next session upcoming. Yeah, thanks all, bye.